Welcome to this demonstration on how to install a DashCam adapter in your BMW. This particular demonstration is on a 2010 BMW X1 using the 4-pin DashCam adapter available on our website. The process is basically the same for all compatible BMWs. We need to access the compartment behind the rear view mirror. To do this, we recommend sitting in the driver's seat. Before proceeding, ensure the ignition is in the off position. First, remove the black plastic casing. There are clips holding the two sides of the casing together. Gently pry them apart. The square box in the center is the light sensor. The following model numbers are compatible. If you are unsure about compatibility, please visit our compatibility page or send an email to admin@dashcamadaptors.com. Unplug the 4-pin power cable from the sensor. Connect the power cable to the male end of the 4-pin DashCam adapter. Now plug the female end of the adapter into the sensor. Tuck the cable away for a neat installation. Next, plug in the short USB cable provided with your DashCam adapter. Clip the plastic casing back on and tuck the USB cable inside it. Take extra care not to crush any wires. The USB cable should exit neatly from the underside of the plastic housing. Now it's time to install your DashCam. Plug the USB cable into your DashCam and enjoy a neat and tidy cable-free cabin. Thanks for watching. Visit dashcamadaptors.com for more information.